This is a new extension to the house. It was an old house which I bought with some friends, and we had this plan of making an extension so we could divide the house up into two apartments, so we could live two families. So now that it's finalized, it's a very nice feeling to be living here and see how it's working in the everyday life. When I was researching to find out which windows types I would like to have in my new extension, I saw these 3-in-1 from VELUX, and I liked the idea that you have the 3 windows close together, so it's a larger window frame. It also has, it gives you some space under the window which you can use for a table or for putting plants or something. So I found it to be a very good solution for this room. It's important that I have the daylight to get this feeling of the outside and what's going on around me. When the sun is out, it gives you energy to feel the sun shine through the windows. You can feel the warmth. It gives the room a very special feeling that you have the light from all sides. So I'm happy that I chose to put up so many windows as I did. I mean, you feel that you're closer to nature because you can see it and you can sort of follow what's going on outside. I think when you start a renovation of a loft or first floor, adding VELUX windows is a very important part of creating a bright and pleasant space for living.